Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Wednesday, May 15th, and wow, we got some big numbers today. 8:30, of course, we had core CPI month over month, which was expected. So, yes, we still have CPI cruising along at the same rate. Core retail sales were the same. So, sales are going the same. CPI month over month was slightly less, but still a positive number, which means we still have inflation. Year over year was the same. So we still have inflation. Empire State Manufacturing Index is lower than expected. This means that the New York area is manufacturing less. This is negative for the economy. However, it's positive for interest rates. Interest rates may be able to be lowered due to the fact that manufacturing is contracting. Retail sales also contracted. They were at 0%. They were actually the same as they were the previous month, but less than expected. Again, helping our interest rate situation, potentially giving the Fed a reason to lower rates. Now, do I think they're going to lower rates? I don't think so. The CPI was not low enough, and the overall CPI was exactly the same, which means inflation's not going down. So is what it is. 10 a.m. we have business inventories month over month. We have housing market index at above 10 o'clock. Sometime after 10 o'clock, we have mortgage delinquencies. This is actually a really big number. I think the Fed is actually going to be watching mortgage delinquencies. We also have at 10:30 crude oil inventories. And then we have some talking head member Bowman speaking at 3:20. So there you go. Wild, wild day. We'll look at the chart here in a second. Looking at the daily chart, look at this. Big gap up, riding this trend line across the top. Where could we go? I don't know we're going to go that much farther, but maybe 53.08. Yeah, maybe it could even test 53.22 or the all-time high of 53.34-ish area. I think that's unlikely, but it still could do that. Downside, probably the maximum downside would be yesterday's low, which was 52.15. Notice that we have a little bit of increase in volume yesterday, but still below average and not very convincing on this move up. This would be that's an up day. No, that's a down day, up day, 2 up days in a row. But we've had a very good run here over the last few weeks. Man, we are ready for a pullback. Also coming up to a pretty giant double top. Now, I don't know what's going to happen here, but the market seems to just defy gravity here. It's almost like we have a giant short squeeze going on. Fundamentals, in my opinion, are not matching the market action. That's very, very disconcerting. Looking at the inventory from yesterday, you can see it. We were positive on price action, positive on inventory. So markets are acting like they are supposed to. There's that big, giant move there. We'll look at that on the intraday. What do we got going on? So first of all, the overnight range was excessively narrow until the news hit. Then we jumped to a 37-point overnight action. So big movement here from the news. Where do we have support and resistance? Well, obviously 5,300. It went through it a little bit, but 5,300 is the number. We can get above that and stay above that. We will see higher numbers. 53.10, I'm going to say 53.27. 53.50, maybe 53.53 on the top side. On the bottom side, we don't have a whole lot. We got 52.50, I think is the big number on the bottom side, and then 52.20, 52.05, and then of course 5,200, the big number there. Stock Trader's Almanac is 52.4. So a slight positive bias by 2.4% from the Stock Trader's Almanac. And there you have it for today, folks. Be careful. Have a great day. Remember to remember to comment, like, and most importantly, subscribe. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.